Oh! If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. Alrighty, so right here we actually have the newest ride here, Defiance. Now it's actually built on the ledge as well, but it doesn't necessarily go over the cliff like the other one does, but it's still a really good ride.
Yeah, we're almost here.
Here we go.
Oh my gosh, look up, look up.
Oh my God.
Wow. That is a view. Y'all look at that hill. Oh my goodness. Oh man.
Hopefully it goes a little fast.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Okay.
Oh. Oh man. Oh. Oh. Good Lord. Oh. Oh, that was good.
That was awesome.
That was great.
Oh, it's good. Oh, that's good. Did it hit your ears?
Yeah.
Oh,
Like a bobblehead.
Awesome.
Wow.
Alright, act like it was nothing.
Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.